Hey, what's up, guys? We're finally back. We're here at Rhinecliff, and we're about to do some hiking. We're about to check out on the Ferncliff trails. We're going to check out some of their abandoned property. I think there's a well, some other cool stuff around here. We're going to check it out, take some photos and video. We'll see you there. So there's this really cool plant here. Well, not cool, it's invasive. It's not supposed to be here. It's called catchweed or gallium. But what's really fun about it is if you put it on someone, it sticks. It's super cool. This is a really cool app too by Cornell at the city, and it like records all of the bird sounds. You can like take it in actively and it'll tell you what kind of birds. If you're doing bird watching and things like that, you can like actively figure out what species you're finding just off the sound. It's kind of cool.
Just made it to the fire tower.
First of three,
maybe.
Yeah, I think he said there were 3 ones that are still active on the, right? Wasn't he talking about that?
Now we're gonna check it out. Yo.
Hey, we're at this amazing lake made by a beaver dam over here that we found.
Found this crazy beaver dam.
Tons of gorgeous birds around here, pileated woodpeckers, like tons of cool stuff. So it's beautiful. We on the trail.
Hey,
Yo, just finished up doing all the trails, flying the drone.
what a day.
Hiking was good. Now we're at the train. We're gonna go to sleep. Narrow leaved bittercrest.
Oh yeah, bittercrest. You know, I have no idea what that is.
Me neither. I'm learning constantly.